everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on using your mirrors when reversing a car. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of how to use your mirrors while reversing a car. Now, you probably know this, but the mirrors play an absolutely critical role in reversing a car safely and properly, but they're not the only tool that you should use. In addition to looking at your mirrors, you also have to look all around the car. So don't only use your mirrors, but since the mirrors are very important, I figured that I would make this video showing you exactly how to use them. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm just going to turn the camera around, give you sort of like a first-person perspective as to what I'm looking at when I'm reversing a car. Very simple. Okay, sorry about that. I have some change falling out of my pocket as I'm moving in the seat. So here are the mirrors. There I am right there. There was my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, and my left side mirror. So as you can see, there are three mirrors that you'll have to use. Now, first and foremost, how should you position them? What should you be seeing? When you look through your rear view mirror, you should be seeing out of the rear windshield. Very simple and straightforward. And with each of the side mirrors, you should be seeing just a little bit of your car. About a third of the mirror should be your car, and the other 2/3 should be down beside your car towards the rear of it. So you can see about a third of it is my car, and then 2/3 of it, give or take, is down, beside my car. So this allows me to see directly behind my car, and these allow me to see towards the sides behind my car. So how do you use your mirrors when you're reversing? Well, I'll explain it first, and I'll demonstrate myself actually doing it. So you basically want to be alternating between those three mirrors and also looking all around your car, like out of the windows and so forth, right? So you want to be alternating between all of those three mirrors and looking all around constantly. You don't want to be staring at any mirror for more than a fraction of a second. So if I was reversing, I would go like this. I'd be checking my mirrors, then I look to the left, look to the right, turn around, checking my mirrors. As you can see, I pretty much cover all three of those mirrors in just about a second, give or take, about a second's time. And then I look all around. So I cover all three mirrors and look all around. Now, I tend to go to my rear view mirror first, then I go to each side mirror, but it doesn't really matter the order. You can go side, side, rear. You can go left side, rear, right side to kind of keep a fluid motion across. It's completely up to you. But this is what I would do if I was reversing. I'm just going to give you a demonstration, okay? And you might not see exactly what you're supposed to see because I'm holding the camera. I'm trying to hold it where my head would be, but you might end up seeing the mirror like that or something like that, right? But you're going to get the idea of which mirror I'm looking at, okay, and what it's showing me. So let's say I was reversing over here. Let's say I was reversing. I'm just going to put my seatbelt on. We'll let this car pass. So let's say I was reversing right here. And I'm reversing in a straight line. Well, if I'm reversing in a straight line, then pretty much all of the mirrors play an equally important role. Now, I also have this rear view camera, but I'm not going to be using this because I'm just going to assume that you don't have a camera. And if you do, that's a benefit. But if you don't, then this will be even better for you. So if I was reversing in a straight line, I would check my right side mirror, my rear view mirror, let's say my left side mirror. Then I look all around, okay? And then I check my mirrors again. Okay, just like that, and look all around. So I'm constantly scanning my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, my left side mirror, then I look all around, and I'm keeping the steering wheel straight. Now, if I wanted to, let's say I wanted to reverse into that driveway, I wanted to reverse right into that driveway that you see right there. Well, then all of the mirrors play an important role, but that right side mirror is more important than the rest because it's going to show me what I'm working with. So I'm checking all of my mirrors, but I'm going to keep the camera on that mirror right there. You can see that it's showing me exactly where my rear tire is going and that it's lining up into the driveway. So as you can see, that one mirror alone is allowing me to see if I'm doing this properly, okay? And as you can see, I actually made my way into the driveway. I'm going to get out of the driveway because I actually just saw someone park in this garage about 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, whatever it was. So I'm really just going to get out of there. So as you saw, when I was steering to the right in reverse, all of the mirrors were important, but that right mirror played a bigger role, right? When I was reversing in a straight line, all of the mirrors are important, but the rear view mirror plays an extra little bit of a role because it shows you the general area behind you. If I was steering to the left when going in reverse, the left side mirror would have more importance than the other ones. Now, I'm not going to downplay the other ones because you have to check all of your mirrors constantly, but you should note that, the mirror that I'm talking about, depending on what you're doing when you're reversing, plays a little bit of a more important role. If you're reversing straight, backwards, the rear view mirror plays the most important role. If you're reversing to the right, backwards, the right side mirror plays the most important role. If you're reversing to the left backwards, the left side mirror plays the most important role. And it's important to note those things. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over a basic lesson for using your mirrors when reversing. I've shown you how to position them so that you can see what you need to see. I've shown you how to rotate your head and where to look to see all of the mirrors. And I've also talked about certain mirrors being more important than others, depending on what you're doing when you're reversing. And that's it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.